Have you noticed how people the same age experience life differently? One walks with brisk confidence, while another relies on a walker. We're taught to accept stiff joints, our shrinking mobility, and a cloudy memory as the normal cost of getting older. We treat physical decline like an inescapable destination. But physical vulnerability is often built through quiet, daily choices. We surrender our independence in tiny, almost invisible increments every time we choose to sit a little longer or skip a short walk. The consequences are severe. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, preventable falls are a leading cause of injury among older adults. A simple trip in the living room often marks the moment a senior loses their ability to live at home. You can build a defense against this vulnerability by adopting 6 specific, scientifically backed daily habits. You can construct a biological shield that protects your autonomy well into your later years. Vitality does not rely on a genetic lottery. It is built through a continuous series of proactive decisions that keep your mind sharp, your body strong, and you firmly in control of your daily life. The first habit is regular walking. The human body operates on a strict biological law: use it or lose it. When you stop moving, your cardiovascular system weakens and your muscles begin to atrophy. Researchers at Harvard Medical School found that maintaining a regular walking routine reduces the risk of heart disease by 40%. Every stride you take commands your heart to beat stronger. It acts as a powerful internal pump, pushing oxygen-rich blood deep into your cellular structures to repair tissue. This consistent circulation actively flushes out pooling toxins in your lower extremities and lubricates stiff joints. The second habit involves what we put into that system. A proper diet requires vigilance against hidden sugars and highly processed foods masquerading as healthy options. Packaged foods loaded with artificial additives create chronic, low-grade inflammation. This silent immune response damages healthy cells over time, fueling the joint pain and physical sluggishness that many mistake for inevitable decline. Hydration is equally critical. As we age, our natural thirst mechanism fades. We often live in a state of mild dehydration without realizing it, which strains the kidneys and induces dizziness, a major catalyst for dangerous falls. Nutritious fuel and consistent movement act as the required mechanical maintenance to keep you upright, balanced, and capable of navigating the world without assistance. Habit 3 shifts the focus to your brain. Neglecting mental activity directly invites memory lapses and the mental fog we associate with aging. Your brain is highly malleable. Through neuroplasticity, it rewires itself and forms new connections when challenged with novel tasks. Without new stimuli, it undergoes a pruning process. Unused connections physically wither away, resulting in accelerated memory loss. Habit 4 is strength training. The idea that lifting weights belongs solely to young athletes is a misconception that accelerates physical frailty. After 50, the body experiences sarcopenia, a rapid loss of muscle mass. Left unchecked, this decay makes simple tasks like carrying a bag of groceries or climbing a flight of stairs feel impossible. You can reverse this loss with physical routines. Bodyweight squats, leg lifts, and controlled wall push-ups force muscles to adapt, grow, and restore power. Completing a daily crossword puzzle and performing a set of wall push-ups rebuild the internal, physical, and mental scaffolding required to maintain your total independence. Habit 5 is keeping your social ties strong. The quiet allure of complete isolation in retirement is one of the most hidden threats to longevity. Chronic loneliness acts as a severe biological stressor. It triggers a constant release of stress hormones that weaken your immune system, elevate blood pressure, and increase the risk of cognitive decline. Habit 6 is optimizing your sleep and establishing a daily routine. A strict daily schedule acts as a protective framework for your overall physical health. A predictable routine minimizes decision fatigue, ensuring you take medications on time and stay active. Furthermore, consistent, high-quality sleep provides the body with the uninterrupted time it needs for deep cellular repair. community connection, and strict daily routines serve as invisible biological anchors. They ground you, keeping your body resilient against the physical and emotional stress of aging. These 6 habits compound over time. Every glass of water, every walk around the block, and every conversation acts as a daily declaration of self-respect and an active rebellion against physical decline. Choosing a sedentary lifestyle guarantees dependency, but choosing daily movement reclaims your freedom, allowing you to move through life entirely on your own terms. Regardless of your current physical condition, the human body retains the biological capacity to adapt and grow stronger when given the right signals. Take control of your autonomy right now. Pick just one habit to start today. Take a 10-minute walk, drink an extra glass of water, or do 5 simple stretches. Tell us in the comments below which habit you are starting today. And if you want to keep building a vibrant, independent future, make sure to subscribe.